Consider another type of activity that gives us a shot of pleasure. Controlling and affecting the world around us. If we perform some action, and the action causes something we intended to come to pass, we experience pleasure. When we decide to take on some challenge and then succeed in accomplishing it, we get a boost of pleasure, a shot of dopamine-related activity in our nucleus accumbens. We don't, however, get that burst of pleasure while we're actually pursuing the goal. We get it when we accomplish the goal. Think of yourself as a rat. Imagine you have a big project, one that has been driving you to procrastination for a while. Completing the project will be a huge success and gain you a sizable reward. Think of your reward, for the moment, as a big pile of rat kibble. Rather than leave all the kibble in one big pile at the end, this tip suggests that you should spread it out. Arrange it in a line between your current location and the location where you want to be. As you complete small subtasks, you will earn yourself little pieces of kibble and receive the associated releases of dopamine to your nucleus accumbens. When you achieve those subtasks, make a point of celebrating them. Keep feeding your pleasure centers enough motivation to keep yourself moving along. Stay focused on the same project long enough so that you achieve the significant goal at the end.